Have you ever wondered how the stock market works? It may seem intimidating or confusing, but once you understand the basics, it can be a valuable tool to grow your wealth. The stock market is essentially a platform for buying and selling shares of publicly traded companies. When you buy shares in a company, you are buying a small piece of ownership in that company. And when the company does well, the value of your shares can increase. But how do you know which companies to invest in? It's important to do your research and choose companies with strong fundamentals, such as a good track record of financial performance and a solid business model. It's also important to diversify your investments, spreading your money across different companies, industries, and even countries. This can help reduce your overall risk and increase your chances of success. But remember, the stock market can be volatile and unpredictable. It's crucial to have a long-term investing strategy and not to make hasty decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. So, take the time to educate yourself and start investing in the stock market today. It may be the key to achieving your financial goals in the future.